Hello everyone, this is Teju. Welcome back to our channel Teju Edutainment. Today I want to share you a simple, interesting and very important trick, that is non-perfect square root. We can solve non-perfect square root in just 2 seconds. We know square root of 36 is 6 and square root of 9 is 3. Like this we know. For perfect square root we know easily. But what about non-perfect square root? Let's solve in this video. Let us take an example. Square root of 12. That is nearest perfect square root for 12 is 9 as well as 16 also. This is 3 square and this is 4 square. We need to write 12 in this in terms of 9 and this in terms of 16. I'll show you both. Write square root of 9 plus 3. That is, square root of 9 is 3. Write the same as is sign, that is plus. How much it is more? 3 more. Divided by, write this double. This number double is 6. So, if we answer, we will get 0.5. That is 3.5. The answer is 3.5. And about 16. Square root of 16 minus 4 is 16 minus square root of 16 is 4. That is the same sign minus and 4. How much it is less? 4 less. So 4 divided by double of this 4 is 8. If we cancel, we get 0.5 and the answer is 3.5. And take another example like square root of 28, that is square root of 28, that is write in terms of 25 plus 3. So 25, it is a perfect square root, so square root of 25 is 5. That the same sign is plus, and how much it is more? 3 more. So 3 divided by 5. 5 double is 10. So divided by 10, that will be 0.3. That is, answer is 5.3. And let's solve another example like square root of 32. That is, right, in terms of 36, square root of 36 minus 4. So square root of 36 is 6. Write the same as this sign minus, and how much it is less? 4 less. So 4 divided by 6 double is 12. So that will be 1 by 3. So 1 by 3 is 0.33. The answer will be 5.67. So the answer is 5.67. In this way, we can calculate easily non-perfect square root in just 2 seconds. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.